In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove empty spaces between columns in the WordPress Blocks editor. Whether you're looking to enhance the visual appeal of your site or tidy up your layout, adjusting the gaps between columns can make a noticeable difference. Let's dive right into it. First off, you'll want to start by opening your WordPress dashboard. From here, navigate to the page or post where you'd like to adjust the column spacing. If you don't have a specific page in mind right now, you can always come back to this step later. Once you've entered the editing mode, locate the block section where your columns are situated. Remember, you can either create a new set of columns or modify an existing one depending on your current needs. With the columns block in place, select the block by clicking on it. You'll see a toolbar appear at the top of the screen, displaying various icon options. One of these is a gear icon that opens the settings sidebar on the right. Go ahead and click it to reveal the settings. This sidebar is where you'll find an array of options to customize your block's appearance and functionality. Now, as you scroll down within the settings sidebar, search for the block tab. Clicking it will provide you with a range of options specific to the block you're working on. Your focus should be on the margin or padding settings, depending on what you see available. Both settings are crucial in adjusting the space around your columns. Margins will control the space outside of the column, influencing how it interacts with nearby elements. Padding, on the other hand, adjusts the space inside a column, affecting the space between the content and the column's edge. To add more space between your columns, you'll need to increase the margin or padding value. This can usually be done by entering a numerical value or moving a slider. Keep in mind the unit of measurement, often pixels, which dictates how much space is added. A higher number equals more space, giving your columns room to breathe and making the layout less cluttered. If your goal is to remove excess space, then reducing the value will compact the columns closer together. It's always a good idea to periodically preview your changes to ensure the spacing looks just right on both desktop and mobile views. You can toggle back and forth between these views to make sure your spacing adjustments hold up across different devices. And don't forget, your changes will only take effect once you save or update your post. So make sure to click that update button before moving on. This ensures your efforts are not lost and your site reflects the changes you've meticulously made. That's it. With these instructions, you should now be able to easily add or remove space between columns in WordPress's Blocks editor. Adjusting column spacing can significantly improve the user experience and overall look of your website, so feel free to experiment with different settings to find what best fits your style. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!